Statement 13. Make bold moves. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you from going big. Don't let the fear of the known consequences keep you from making bold decisions. All the things we love in this life started as big dreams and even bigger actions. If you feel called to do something unorthodox, by all means, do it. There will always be resistance to bold ideas. Bold ideas carry the stigma of definite change. And change is scary. People hate change in all its forms. But change is what moves the world. Change is how we reached our current state of comfort. Nature was the only thing that existed before human beings came with their ideas of changing, evolving, and creating new things. Nothing new can exist without someone boldly deciding to take steps to create something new. That idea you have could be one of those grand contributions to humanity, which is why people will try to stop you, which is why your mind will mull over the possibilities of tragedy and failure. Cars have been the cause of millions and millions of deaths. But they've also saved millions and millions of lives. In order to live your true life's purpose, you have to be bold enough to step into it and not fear the consequences.